Hey friends, so I am super excited. This hotel room is gorgeous and I can't wait to show you this adorable, adorable hotel room. Stay tuned, there's all these little hidden tricks and gems in this hotel room that actually I keep finding. I just got here. I have my stuff here. I wanted to wash off because I just got off the plane, so I'll show you the shower, but I already used it. I tried to keep everything, all my stuff in one place so that you can see what the room looks like as I'm moving in, but this is just a quick video to show you this adorable, adorable hotel room that I fell in love with. Our company just started using it, from what I understand, a couple weeks ago. So I am just by chance, because I got assigned this trip, this hotel. Not many people have stayed here, and it's adorable. It's a boutique hotel, so it has all these really cool things. So come with me, I'm gonna show you the room and all the little stuff. So we'll start off, I'm going to flip this. No, I'm going to hold it and show you the view. So I am in Seattle. You can see that the water is right there. So you can see boats passing by, and then there is some of downtown, but that is water back there. So that is my view. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can't beat it. It does, as most hotel rooms, it has that clear shade, and then it also has blackout curtains, and you need blackout curtains, especially when you're a flight attendant. So if you get in on a red eye and it's so bright outside, you can shut those and go to sleep. Next, we have the gorgeous bed, and the gorgeous bed does overlook the view, so it's pointing right at it. There's mirrors, so many mirrors here, but the bed, the comforter is really soft and beautiful. If you want to order room service, they have their little QR code on this, like, it's not glass, I guess it's plastic, but it's just a nice touch. It was on the desk when I got it, but because it's see-through, I wanted to see what they had, so I had to put it on the bed so that my camera would pick it up. They have this huge mirror, and I'm gonna show you at nighttime, but they have a huge mirror right there. And up top, you can see there's the details on this place is amazing. So it's only one bed. There's a huge mirror there. And then up there, there is lighting above that with the pictures. And then I'm gonna spin you around here. It's just so cool. So we have a desk right here with the chair. Let me put the chair back the way it was. Take off my stuff. Okay, so you have your desk here. They have a cordless phone here. They have the spa brochure. This is really cool because most hotels don't have this, and I know I've had this problem before, but they do have how you work the remote control. I know that sounds simple, but with everything people have going on with remote controls, and some hotels you even need two hotels. Some hotels you even need two remotes to work it, whatever. So this tells you what the easiest way to do it. So I think that's actually just a nice added benefit. This light, I just did it right now, but it's a touch light. I don't know if you can see the light actually going on, but it's a touch light. And then there's a gigantic TV there with more overhead lighting and pictures. I'm totally gonna have to show you this room at night. And then if you can see, I'll show you through the other angle, but this big, see that big circle? The bathroom is through there. It's really, really cool. We'll go check it out in a minute. And then again, you have down here, you have another cordless phone and the clock. Besides the lighting, there is this really cool thing. There's one right here next to the bed, but I'm gonna show you over here too. Oh, this tells you about the guest rooms. I'm gonna read it to you because this room is so cute. It says, guest rooms inspired, guest rooms. Look at that view behind me. Inspired by Seattle's natural landscape and the city's creative and contemporary energy, designer Felipe Stark incorporated mixed use of materials, live edge stone accents, travertine stone, arched mirrors, and mid-century modern furniture in the design of the guest rooms. With a vision of elevating and pushing the boundaries of luxury design in Seattle, Stark invites guests to experience his design, leaving the discovery open to their interpretation. It's super cute. And then if you want to learn more, there's even a QR code there that you can click on the QR code and learn more. But I haven't finished the tour yet, so come with me. It's so cool. So you have right here a little closet. It's like there's 2 closets in here. So probably for the guy and the girl, if there's a guy and a girl, or 2 girls or 2 guys, or just me, so I get to use both. So you open it up. Robes. This reminds me of Costa Rica. And I love having robes in my hotel. So that is such a nice touch for a hotel. You have slippers. You have small slippers and there's large slippers, which is super cute, right? There's other brushes and stuff in there. Here is the desk. Oh, not desk. Here is the countertop over here. I'm just going to turn those bottles up. You have water. You have your ice bucket. Super fancy. There's a shaker here. There's a wine opener. Another mirror. This edging, I have to show you this because this edging, and I don't know if you'll be able to really see, but it's stone and it's so pretty. So this is not flat across. It is stone and just gorgeous. And then you come over here and here's your coffee section. They tell you about your capsules for your coffee. You have them all lined up right here. You have your spoons right here. Your espresso maker right there. So really nice. Your teas, if you want teas as well. In here in the drawers, you have your refrigerator right here. That is my food. I just got off the plane and I brought food for my trip. So that is my food in there, getting cold again. But look, you open this up just in case you want wine glasses, coffee glasses. Cheers for champagne glasses. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, I love all the details. And then here is a safe and it opens up like this. It says stash loot safely. It's just like, and it's a really nice safe. It has that slow close. I guess that wasn't slow. And again, the refrigerator is here, but it has a mirror so you can, or not mirror, it's clear so you can see through it. This video is getting so long and I'm just showing you the basics of this room. All right, another closet. You have your ironing board, your bags for dirty laundry if you need to get your laundry done. There's an umbrella in this closet if you can see. Oh, there's an umbrella in this closet. There's a lint remover, which I've never seen before, but that is really cool. I actually want to see if I can get another one of them because I'm going to need more than one. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. So this is the system. You can turn your mirror lights on. You can turn everything off. This says privacy and I will show you what that does, but that's a privacy thing. So you just push these buttons to control your room, which is really cool. All right, we're in the bathroom right now. Bathroom, remember this, the other side, so you can, if you're in the bathroom, you can still see out all the way outside. Double sinks, marble cabinet. So pretty. You have your tissues, your soap. You have another mirror over here. Look at, this is just beautiful. There's a little mirror here with a stool, so you can sit right there if you need to, but it's a little encave little thing right there. So pretty. Down here, this is really cool because usually they don't give you all of this stuff on their little tray here. They did have body lotion. I already grabbed that, so that was there. I did use some. They have a comb, a shaving kit, shower cap, toothbrush, which I usually don't give you a toothbrush, and a vanity kit, so like nail files and stuff. So that's really adorable. Your shower and stuff over here is, this is all mirrors, but they open up and you have your rain shower, one on the wall, one high up, beautiful marble. And then this door over here is your toilets there. So they're separated, but it's a really cool design. They're separate. There's a wall in between, but it's really cool that it's full length mirrors the whole way out. And then, like I said, you can see, I'm spinning around here, You can see the view. There's a little, let me move my stuff. I told you I came in and showered and got all cleaned off after the flight. So I have some of my stuff out. But you can see the view, and there's this little switch here, and when you turn the switch, it either opens or it closes that mirror. Isn't that so cool? I'm gonna open it up again. Oh my God, I think I'm in love with this hotel room. It's so cute. Oh, let me show you out here. Hold on. Let me grab the key so I don't get locked out. I'm learning you have to grab the key so you don't get locked out of your room. But it's just looks so beautiful. All right, anyway, I'm just excited. There is a do not disturb, but this do not disturb is like super, look how thick that is. It's like almost wood. It's not really wood, I think it's plastic, but it's really thick. It's not one of those cheap plastic ones. Love this. Oh, and it says, this one says, please make up my room, with the little vacuum cleaner, and this one says, please do not disturb, the little bed. But I love how thick this is. It's not gonna fall off your door like one of those paper ones. Just makes you feel like it's better. And then let's go out to the hotel room. Remember I showed you that privacy thing? So here's the hotel room, and the privacy thing changes here. And you can see the carpets. These orange carpets and the walls just make for a really unique design that's way different than any other hotel I've been in, with the cute little pictures on the mirrors here. I'll show you more. The lounge upstairs, when you check in to this hotel, you don't check in on the first floor. You go right in and you go all the way up to the 16th floor. And that's where they have their check-in, which is really beautiful. And they have their bar there and their lounge there. Here is the main entrance when you come into the building, and then you go up the elevators all the way up to the lobby area. This is the lobby, the bar, the lounge area, all the way up on the 16th floor. It is dark because I took these videos before I left in the morning for my van, because I didn't get them the night before, but I wanted to grab them for this video so you could see how beautiful it is. So I did go back up there. Again, the sun hasn't come out yet, so it's dark. And what a really nice place to go after a day or when you get in from a trip. And the views are stunning out those windows looking over Seattle. There, they also have a pool. No, take that back. They don't have a pool. They have a sauna and a steam room. Kind of confusing. It all looks the same. All this white, how serene and peaceful is this? Then you can make your way over to the gym, the fitness room, which also has stunning views of Seattle. And then there's the sauna with the steam room and heated towels. The steam room is actually a really large size. And then here is the gorgeous bathroom that has gigantic windows. So very cool. I'm excited. I'm gonna go explore Seattle. I've been here before, but there's always stuff to see. And I am going to go do that. It's beautiful outside, but I just wanted to give you a quick tour of this hotel room because it's so unique and so different. And all of the, even you can see the desk over here, I'll move it closer, but all of the detail in this hotel room is really pretty. And that excites me. Some people that probably is like, oh, okay, and I'm turning off that touch light. Some people might think that's not exciting, but to me, it's very exciting. So I wanted to bring you along and show you this really awesome boutique hotel, and I am glad you came. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos. I'm gonna take you on my tips. I'm gonna take you on my trips. I'm gonna take you on my trips, show you some travel tips, tell you some travel tips, and also some flight attendant things. So like and subscribe. That helps my algorithms get it out to more people. Hit that bell notification so when I put out a video, you also get notified and it'll show up on your screen. I will talk to you later. Until then, sending you hugs. The rug is super cool too. Look at that design. And in the toilet area, there's this funky little mirror right there. So how cool is that? And then the shower, I told you it's like a cloudy glass between that and the shower's right there. Here I am playing with that light feature. The room is dark. You hit one button and all the lights go on. You can also control the bathroom lights with one button. It is pretty cool feature for the rooms. You don't have to find separate light switches. This hotel room also has an added touch, which I didn't tell you about before. It has a scale, and it has like a floor rug like you would have in your bathroom. Every hotel, not every, I don't want to say every, I haven't been to every hotel in the world, but most hotels have like a towel that you put down on the floor when you come out of the shower or whatever. But this is for where the sink is, and it's a regular bath mat like you would have at home. So it's a really, really nice touch. I'm playing with the light. I was trying to see what it's doing, but I will have to see when it's darker out. It's morning time. Well, it's not, I guess it is morning time, but it's my van time. I am heading to the van. I am sad to leave this hotel room. I came back last night from exploring Seattle, and I wanted to go to the spa and sauna, which are there, and I checked out in this video, and I was just too tired. So I guess I have to come back. Thanks for watching.